Have you ever heard someone hit incredibly high notes and thought to yourself, oh, I really wish I could sing like that? Or have you convinced yourself that your voice is just naturally limited? Well, the truth is that most singers aren't stuck, they're just locked. The truth is that your vocal range is probably bigger than you know. You just don't know how to access it correctly. So in this video, I'm going to show you practical vocal exercises that you can do that can help you unlock those notes that you might not have ever sung comfortably before. And make sure you still do the end because each exercise is going to build on the previous exercise, okay? And also by the end of this video, we're going to test your voice to see how much you've improved. And who knows, you might surprise yourself. So let's get started. Your vocal range is every note that you can sing comfortably, from the lowest to the highest that you can actually sing comfortably. Notice I said comfortably. Just because you can scream a note doesn't mean that that is your range, okay? Our goal isn't to force higher notes. Our goal is to make each note more comfortable, more usable, and more controlled. This is the mistake that almost everyone makes. They keep trying to hit the highest notes over and over. Just imagine trying to get up to a roof without climbing the stairs. Yes, that's what many singers actually do. So instead, walk from the middle of your voice and then go one note higher and another note higher. Yes, small progress actually brings big results in time. Okay, now using gi or ne, I want you to sing a 5-note scale. Okay, only one key at a time. The moment you feel strain, stop. Tomorrow you'll go a little higher. Don't forget that consistency beats force. Gi 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 gi. 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 Remember, I said once you feel strain, stop. Tomorrow you go higher. This is one of my favorite exercises. So make the sound ung, like the end of the word sing, okay? And then you're going to slide from the lowest to the highest and then back down again, okay? Now let's go. You get it? From the lowest to the highest and then back down again, like a siren. Let's go again. Again. Don't worry if your voice cracks. Cracks actually show you where your voice needs improvement. So you can do this 5 to 10 times. Okay? Notice that the goal is smooth movement, not loud singing. Next up, you have to learn to mix your voice. The reason why some singers get stuck is because they are pulling their chest voice way too high and then they shout and then they strain, causing damage to their voice. Instead, let your voice go lighter as you go higher. Do not fight the transition. Allow it, okay? Instead of and you notice the difference? Instead of using your chest voice as you go higher, you use your head voice as you go higher, and you notice that the voice becomes lighter. Now try singing mom, 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 mom. Okay? Start comfortably and note that each repetition should go slightly higher. Let's go. Mom, 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 mom. 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 you see that it gets lighter as you go higher. Okay, so if you can try this, you'll notice that higher notes will feel more easier. Sometimes your range isn't limited, your tension is. So you have to check yourself. Check your jaw. Is your jaw tight? Are your neck relaxed? Are your shoulders lifting? So stay relaxed. A relaxed body gives your voice room to work. Okay? So massage your jaw, relax your neck, relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and out, and try singing again. You often notice a change in your vocal range. Here's something that most singers don't know. Training your lower range can actually also help you to improve your upper range. Why do we say this? Because your voice is just like an instrument. Strong foundations matter a lot. So go over to that low range and train it very well. And then before you know it, you will notice that higher range becomes more easier. So get comfortable downward, and then you will begin to also get comfortable upwards. No vocal exercise can actually replace a healthy voice, so make sure you drink enough water, get enough sleep, avoid yelling, and then practice 10 to 15 minutes daily. You will notice a huge difference in your voice and you will see how much your range will improve. Remember that your voice responds better to consistency than intensity. Now that we've gone through these exercises, let's test your range. So you have to start from a comfortable note, okay? And then you have to go higher little by little. Now you have to note check and see if one or two extra notes become easier. Remember that building your range isn't by force and it doesn't happen at once, okay? It happens little by little. So let's use I believe I can fly. Let's use that to test your vocal range now. Start on a comfortable note, okay? I believe I can fly. 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 Just like that, okay? You start on a comfortable note and then you go higher, higher, gradually leaving your chest voice over to your head voice. You feel the transition moving from your chest voice over to your head voice. You feel it as it goes. The vibration moves from your chest and goes over to your head. So try it. If this video helped you discover something new about your voice, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. And I would like to know in the comment section, what is the highest notes that you've actually sung comfortably before? Or do you have any problems or issues taking high notes or singing low notes? Just let me know. Tell me anything in the comment section. And I also want to let you know that my singing course will be out soon, and I also do online singing courses. So if you are interested, do well to let me know. See you guys in the next video. Happy singing!